I swear writing is a muscle, and this muscle is weak right now. So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Briuana. Nice to meet you. I have a few things I need to get done today, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. And the cool thing about writing full-time now, well, at least for the time being, I can wake up whenever I want to and get my day started whenever I want to. But I woke up at around 11 today, and I haven't really done much because after yesterday I was pretty tired because I spent hours yesterday reverse outlining for the third book of the King Kai series. I'm so stuck on this story. I don't know what to do, and something that just isn't working, and I think it's because I'm trying to tackle too much in it. So I'm gonna try to simplify the plot a little bit and see if that works. And reverse outlining was really helpful. It kind of helped me figure out where there are some holes in my story. So I was really tired from that. So today, I don't know if I'm gonna work on that story or if I'm gonna work on something else, but at some point I'm gonna have to get some writing done because trying to get back into the habit of writing almost every day has been a challenge because I haven't done it in a while, probably since the summertime. So I'm trying to get back into the habit of doing that, and I swear writing is a muscle, and this muscle is weak right now. So we gonna get better at that. And before I start writing today, I'm gonna head over to Joyce's house because we gotta record Bible study today. So I'm gonna get that done first, and then when I get back to the house, I'm gonna get some writing done. I'm gonna let this car warm up a little bit first because it's kind of cold. My car say it's 31 degrees and we're supposed to get an ice storm tonight. So I just hope everybody be safe because the ice ain't no joke. And I hope our power stays on because the last time I remember having an ice storm, the power was out for a little minute. So hopefully that's not the case this time. Ooh, my wig looking crazy. But I'm back home now. Me and Joyce, we did a Bible study lesson on self-love, self-care. It was pretty good. Hope people like it. And I ran to Taco Bell before I came home. I was doing the rest to get home because it's already sleeting and I ain't trying to be caught in no bad weather. And that Taco Bell was fire. I had to get it though because if we're gonna be stuck in the house for a few days, if that's the case, I'm not gonna know when I'm gonna get Taco Bell again. So I had to get that. It was fire. And now I've been watching Why Did I Get Married for the last hour. I need to be writing, so that's on my agenda next. Okay, so I think I'm done writing for tonight. I didn't want to overdo it tonight because I spent so much time working on this story yesterday that it kind of ate into my energy today, and I don't want it to be the case for tomorrow because I need to get some stuff done tomorrow too with this story. But I'm happy with the progress. So I spent the last few hours, was it an hour? I don't even know how long it was. So I spent the last bit of time basically comparing my outline with my reverse outline, trying to see where there are holes and things I might have missed in my outline when I was actually drafting the story. And then I took my draft, well, the file that my draft is in, and I started taking the first couple of chapters and putting them in the order that I wanted them to be in and kind of making minor edits as I went through doing that. And I think we'll continue doing that tomorrow and through the weekend so I can kind of see how the story is flowing. And if I get to a hole, I'm going to work on that hole because I need this document to be more organized than the last one. It helped me feel more encouraged throughout the process of drafting it because right now it's a little all over the place, which is typically how I work, but right now I feel like it's stressing me the heck out. So I need to go ahead and fix that. So that's where we are. I'm about to take a break, moisturize my hair because I haven't done that today. And I got this scarf on instead of my bonnet because I was watching this YouTube video and it was talking about how bonnets can cause shrinkage. And I don't really mind the shrinkage necessarily, but the only annoying part is when I'm trying to refresh my hair in the morning and it's all shrunk up. It kind of takes a little bit longer to get to where I want it to be. But with the scarf, it's been a lot easier to refresh my hair. I'm gonna try this out instead of the bonnet for the next few days. And if I like the scarf better than the bonnet, that's what we're gonna roll with. And so far, I'm liking it better than the bonnet. And even though it's ugly, it does look a lot better than the bonnet. All right, so now it's about what time is it? It's like 1 something. So I'm about to, I don't know what to do. Right now, I'm in a room on Clubhouse listening to people talk about YouTube and all that. just to see if I can pick up any new tips on how to improve my channel. And I'm gonna spend a little bit of time planning some videos for the year, because I need to do that. So I'm trying to see what kind of content I want to put out. And if y'all have any suggestions on comment that y'all, I say comment or content. If y'all have any content that y'all specifically going to see on my channel, whether it's related to writing, Harvard, my lock journey, anything like that, comment down below as well. And then I'm gonna read for a little bit. Right now I'm currently reading Panic by Sharon Draper. This is an author that I came across when I was younger. I'm sure y'all have probably heard of her book November Blues and Tears of a Tiger. Those are just a few of her novels. I just really randomly came across this book. I think I was on Goodreads or something, and I was like, oh, I haven't read anything about her in a long time, but this book has been out for a minute. I'm reading it now. It's more of a thriller, and it's written from different point of views too, and I thought it'd be useful to kind of help me figure out the pacing for my own novel that I'm working on. So yeah, I'm like a little over halfway done. I might finish it tonight because I'm not really sleepy right now. I don't really have much else planned for tonight aside from planning for YouTube, listening to this Clubhouse room, reading this book. Need to read my Bible plans. Well, really, I need to catch up on my Bible plans because I'm so behind, y'all. Oh, Lord. Catch up on my Bible plans, and I might watch a lesson on Masterclass. If I do anything else, I'll check in with y'all. But otherwise, I'm going to see y'all tomorrow, okay? It's almost 3 a.m. and I just finished reading Panic. It was a really good book. And I'm kind of emotional right now. And I think it's because, I don't know, it's just being a reader and a writer at the same time. It just makes me appreciate the act of writing so much more. And I just realized, like, I feel like it's hitting me just how much of a blessing it is to find something that you truly, truly enjoy doing and something that I want to do for the rest of my life. I just want to get better at it. I want to make stories like the one I just read that just truly touch people, and that's something I want to do forever. I just want to get better at it. I want to perfect my craft. I want to just continue writing and making it a huge part of my life. Like, that's my dream. And just realizing how long that dream has been in me and just seeing where I am now, it's just, I don't know, I can't even explain how it feels. It's crazy. And I really truly look forward to making more stories this year and the year after that and the year after that. And I pray that God just allows me to do that and to get better at it, because that's all I want to do, you know? Anyway, that's all on that. I hope that makes sense, but that's just what I'm feeling. I haven't read anything all day, but that's okay. We're going to try again tomorrow. Am I the only one who starts craving really crazy things late at night? So right now, I'm craving some meatballs and asparagus. So I got some asparagus in the oven, and I got some meatballs in the microwave. Hopefully my mama wasn't planning on using the meatballs for anything, because I opened them. But I only got a few, so it should be all right. But I took the asparagus out the oven to kind of flip them over. And the pan I got them in, it's like a little baking pan. And for some reason, it wasn't laying flat no more. So hopefully I don't mess something up. Yeah, this asparagus was a fail. I don't know what I did, y'all. I really don't. Should I not have cooked it in the oven or what? I mean, I tasted a little piece of it. And it's alright. It don't taste bad. It just looks ugly. It's real ugly. Yeah, the asparagus went in the trash. I don't really like soggy asparagus, and I don't know. It's like whenever you put it in the refrigerator, it just gets soggy unless you buy it crispy. That makes sense. But it was frozen asparagus, so I think I need to steer away from frozen asparagus and actually just get the regular asparagus that's not frozen. and try that out because I'm not gonna eat no salted asparagus. I'm just not doing that. And I put it in the oven because I thought it would make it crisp up a little bit, but you can see that was a fail. So it's just gonna be me and my meatballs, but that's okay. And then these meatballs hard. I just need to go to sleep and try it again tomorrow. Hey y'all, I'm back again. It is like 2:30 and I woke up around, I think it was close to 1. I got out of bed around 1 and I'm already back in bed. So I can already tell what kind of day this is gonna be. But I'm honestly gonna blame it on the weather because, nah, I can't even blame it on the weather because when the weather wasn't like this, I was still in bed all week. Pretty late anyway. So I guess I'm gonna be getting my day started late today, but I gotta write today. So I'm gonna be productive eventually, but just not no time soon. It honestly sounds like it's gonna be a working in bed type of day, but I'm cool with that. Oh, my room's so messy. I don't even want to show y'all that. But anyway, I got my glasses on. I opened up the curtain so I can get some light in here because sometimes I don't feel like working light helps. So hopefully this helps. But I'm definitely gonna work in bed because I don't feel like getting up and it's cold. I thought about doing a writing sprint, but I don't think it's really productive for what I'm trying to do with this story right now. So I'll probably do what I was doing the other day. Just basically work through the different outlines and fill in holes as needed. And I'm not gonna do that too long, probably for like an hour or so, depending on how I feel. And I think I'm gonna listen to Jasmine Sullivan's new album because I keep telling Joyce that I'm listening to it and she says it's so good and that I'm gonna like it. So I'm gonna try to do that as I write. And if y'all have checked it out, let me know what you think in the comments below. So I found it really hard to focus on this album and write at the same time. So the album ended up winning, even though I did get a little bit done. And my thoughts on the album, I really liked it. I like how it had all the different perspectives on love and all that. And it was really good. I give it a 5 out of 5. I swear, y'all, I really need some energy from somewhere because it's just not here. Well, no, I'm not even saying energy because I'm not tired necessarily anymore. I'm just not motivated to write. So, I don't know. Maybe I should go ahead and get in the shower and maybe that'll make me feel a little bit more productive. Because right now, I got a little bit done. Not enough to feel satisfied with, but I got something done. And it's getting darker in my room now because it's almost 5, I think. It might be 5. Yeah, it's almost 5 now. So yeah, I really do need to get in the shower because lately since I've been waking up so late, I've been getting in the shower, getting changed all late. Which is fine because I'm not going nowhere. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna post this tomorrow. So the day after. So I'm recording this the day before you're watching this. I was actually working on another vlog, but I think I'm gonna save that one just so I don't ruin the maybe surprise that's in it. But we'll see. I don't know. And I'm also wishing y'all a very, very, very happy Valentine's Day. Hope you all feel the love from yourself and from the people around you. Eat enough chocolate for me. Please do. I love chocolate. I'm probably gonna get myself some chocolate. But anyway, happy Valentine's Day. And if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial that was a fail that I think I eventually saved. And let me know what y'all think. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.